Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a simple way to keep you cool this summer, and that is because it is a tower fan. As you can see, it's right here next to me. This was sent over by a company called Antarctic Star. Right out of the box, very easy to assemble. All you have to do is put on the base. It just snaps together. It'll take no more than a minute. And then it's going to come with a user manual. It tells you about the settings. However, we're covering everything right here in the video. This particular model is the T36, and that's because it's 36 inches in height. As you can see, it's all nice and white. You have the little air is going to come out in the middle part here. This is a bladeless fan. On the back side is where you're going to have the air being sucked in. This can, basically you can remove that back grill if you ever need to clean it. There's a little screw, just go ahead and pop that off, run it under the water, get rid of any of that dust. Now at the top, there is all the controls here to operate it. So first off, you're going to have the little clock button. This is going to give you that timer. It does a no timer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 timer. I never use the timer function, honestly, but if you do have this like at night on you and sleeping and you want it to turn off at a certain time, you can utilize that timer feature, which is kind of nice. Now it does support up to 6 speeds. I have it running right now on the 2, very quiet. You're not going to disturb you at all, but this goes all the way up to 6 speeds on that highest setting. It's going to be actually able to throw this wind about 27 feet away. So it's got great circulation when utilizing it. Now it also supports 4 different modes. I personally like it just on the static mode, but it does have, which is like the normal mode, if you will. It does have a natural mode, which that is basically, it's trying to simulate wind. So you'll notice it'll get stronger, weaker, stronger, weaker, and it's just kind of simulating the wind that's blowing around. Then you got the auto mode and got the sleep mode. The sleep mode puts it in the quietest mode when operating it. Now it does next also have an oscillating button. That's the little kind of 2 arrows with the lines. It looks like a road. This is going to be able to fully oscillate up to 90 degrees. So if you've got a larger room, you're wanting to do full coverage, you're good. Just turn on that oscillating mode. If you don't want it, you can stop it into whatever specific position you want to utilize. Now, like I said, it is 36 inches in height. The base station is about 12¼ inches in diameter, so it's nice and balanced to help keep it stabilized from falling over. Now, also, it does have a remote control. I love how on the back side it has like an easy to use grip to pull it, but the remote will also sit there, so that way you don't lose the remote control. It just basically operates off of 2 AAA batteries, so you can easily change it out if you need be. And then all the same features are right here on it. So first off, you got your mode options, plus and minus to increase the speeds, the clock, the oscillating, if you don't want it to make the beeping sound, if you want to go through those. And then also, if you notice, the screen light's off, so if light bothers you and this is in a bedroom, you can hit the little light bulb and turn that off if you wish, or you can leave it on depending on how you want to operate it. But overall, it's just a simple, easy to use fan. If you're in the market for a great fan, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.